Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove the quick settings in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. And to do this, you'll need to click and open settings right after you launch a game. So click on the gear icon or press F3 on your keyboard. Right here, find the quick settings. It should be this first option with a star icon. So enter it. Now hover over the setting that you want to remove and press on a C. Now the setting should be removed right after we refresh the settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.